Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. It's an extremely popular small tree for pots or for planting out in open ground. Height, you have the larger size, slightly longer stem, and then the shorter one. They're going to grow roughly around 5 feet high, this one up to about 6.5 feet high, and they just form a mound of colourful foliage. They're called Flamingo Willow, and they fill out like that there. They need a good hard trim back in spring to encourage them to have nice, fresh, healthy growth. So we like to do every spring is just catch all the branches like that, cut them back about a third of the way, and that encourages them to have lovely, I suppose, shrimp pink like foliage like that, white and green and pink foliage. Any growth that comes along the stem, make sure to take that away, and they'll need a little stake or strap just to keep them nice and compact and firm, but they're easy to manage. To plant them, decent sized planting hole, a little bit of super thrive planting fertilizer at the bottom, swell well compost and soil on top, and the same back and around, and you will need a good stake and strap with it. So that's Flamingo Willow, can be planted from now. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.